personnel replacement charge. A good way of identifying whether your future needs, you have pools of suppliers or not. If you notice in the slide, it uses a triangle, segitiga, and then segi empat, and it has different colors. So very simple, segitiga, segi empat, warna merah, warna oranye kan nanti warna peach. So this is a good tools for easy monitoring. But normally this personnel replacement chart is for those important key person, head of departments, managers, directors, top guns, and so on. So they apply these tools. Tapi kalau yang bekerja di peringkat bawah, below mid level, dia tidak pakai yang inilah. Because you can find many of them. But for those mid-level managers, head of departments, directors, top guns, very difficult to when you need them in the future. Okay, so the idea is when you have this personnel replacement chart, you can see whether in the next 1 year, 2 years, more than 3 years, you have people in replace of those who already reached their maximum age in the organization, pension lah kan, or those who suddenly move to other companies. So by having this personnel replacement chart, you have pools of people who can be substitute for future replacement.